Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today it's not a tutorial or a video or a project, but today is the Halloween showcase. Lovely Ashley sent me an email. She bought one of the papers got Halloween bubbles, and she has requested if I can showcase my 4 Halloween paper packs. So Ashley, of course, my love. So I'll show you what Ashley's bought. So the first kit is called Halloween Bubbles Decoration, and is all my Halloween kits are mini, so it's 4 pages each. The price of £1.50, so super cheap, super affordable. So the Halloween bubbles is a set of course, guess what? Halloween bubbles, so you can fussy cut them, and then a lot of you do Halloween trees. And on my Facebook group, a few of you have shared some pictures. We don't. Jamie is obsessed with Halloween. I'm not, for not reasons. I grew up in Italy and we don't really celebrate Halloween there, so it's never been a celebration where when I was little we felt it as like a celebration, if it makes sense. So I appreciate the aesthetic and I watch Halloween movies, but it's not something that I personally like. Jamie's obsessed, and then Jamie's favorite movies all the time is Hocus Pocus, the original one. I know they've done the number 2 recently, but we've not watched that yet. Anyway, back on the papers. So the first kit is this one. So you've got 3 on each page. There are 3 bubbles. Okay, so they're all very similar, but each bubble is different. Okay, so I kept it all the same tone. So the color palette is orange, pink, and purple throughout the pages. Love them. As I said, I appreciate the aesthetic, but you know, it's not something that I'll do. This with the it is my favorite. So that's one, okay, which is probably everybody's favorite because I know quite a lot of you have bought this recently. The second kit is called Haunted Castles, and this kit has been designed, well, you can use it, you can do anything that you want with it. You can either do like cards if you send Halloween cards, but these have been designed to be used to create like little journals, like front and back or journal pages. So as the title says, Haunted Castles. Okay, so it's pages of Haunted Castle, and I'm trying to darken it. I play a lot with colors, a background and things like that. And I'm not sure what color you will see on camera, but I'm trying to achieve like a vintage distress look. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, it's called Halloween Treat Bags and Boxes. So if you host Halloween parties, or if you do like little, I don't know, for your granddaughter, grandson, or daughter, or son, or children in general, or friends or family, if you do little treats and you gift them, this is the kit for you. So what I've done here, I've designed envelope and treat boxes. So this page here has 2 rectangular envelopes. So this is the front, that's the 2 sides, that's the bottom, and that's the top. Okay, so those 2 are very similar. And then this one here is your traditional scallop envelope. So okay, you got your side stab, this will fold over, this the scallop will fold down, and then you get your envelope. This one here is a milk carton box. Now if I reach, bear with me 1 second. Sorry, it was on the other side of my desk. Okay, I can sit down. So this one here is basically a milk carton box. So the 4 squares here, 1, 2, 3, 4, are those squares here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the basis, and the 2 tabs goes inside. And then those 2 triangles here are those ones. So triangle number 1, triangle number 2. So what you want to do, you print this on a thicker cardstock, and then you literally put it up, and it's very simple. Okay, so you can either glue it or you can put a little peg. It's completely up to you. You can either put like a ribbon through and have a little bow to finish it off. Completely up to you. Then we have 2 pillow boxes, so similar, very similar sizes. So one is will have the Salem with the Halloween pumpkin, and we'll have Salem with a little hat. Okay, and then last but not least, this is a cube gift box. Okay, so that's the 4 size of a cube. That would be the lid and the base. Sorry, that would be the 2 size base, and this would be the lid. Okay, so if you think it like this, I haven't got one to show you, but I hope it's clear enough. So that's your 4 size. That's the 2 bases on the side, and then this one with a little tab there is the lid that you put it inside there. Okay. Another one is last one is the Halloween tags. Now on here I have a little play around. The inspiration from this page is the I think it's called Cinco de Mayo. I'm sure it's I'm hoping I'm not say something very silly. It's that celebration where they celebrate the skulls and the flowers. It's the Day of the Dead. So that's kind of the inspiration. I'm sure it's that. I will check it out. So those 5 tags are exactly the same. Those 2 tags are bigger. Okay, but they all have skulls and roses and flowers. Okay, the color palette here is this salmony creamy pink with a bit of burgundy and the skulls. Page number 2. But on here I want to be bold and big. So there's 3 large tags with again some skulls and roses. So I've got a plain one so you guys can layer it up, and then those 2 you got the Halloween characters. You got Little Witch and the clown. Another page, this is one that's got a little ghost. The inspiration was the night before Christmas. But you got this little character with the balloon heart, and I wanted the inspiration behind this page. I wanted something to be quite contrast with the orange and black background. So of course they got and I don't really know if you can see on camera, but they got a black dress and a black suit. I mean, look at this fella. It's got a really handsome fella. So it's got a black suit and dresses, but I think the contrast with this really deep red and the orange works really, really well. I mean, I think it does. You might disagree. And then last but not least, again, 3 large tags. One is plain again, so you guys can layer it and do what you want. And then those 2, one has got the little cat with the pumpkin, and then it's got a little a little creepy child. No, it's got a little kid with a balloon. Okay, so again, I don't really design a lot of Halloween kits for no reasons, but if you guys want some more for next year, just leave me a comment down below and I'm surely design a few more. So just to recap, Halloween tags, Halloween treat bags and boxes, haunted castles, and the Halloween bubbles decoration. So everything is listed on my website. What I'm going to do, I will put the links down below just on the info box so you guys can take it straight to my website. Okay, I hope it's clear. I hope it was a nice showcase. I'm not planning to do much Halloween craft on this channel. I've got a couple of videos I really want to do towards the end of the month, I think, if I remember right. But if you do use this kit, please showcase on my Facebook group so everybody takes inspiration for one another. Okay, it's a very interactive platform. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like Halloween. And yeah, as I said, if you do make any projects, please share it on my Facebook group so everybody can see what you guys are doing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah.